Hello everyone, this is Stacey Gaines with 60 Seconds with Your Coach, and today we're going to talk about QFT. It is a question formulation technique that you can use across curriculum in any grade level. And here on your screen, you are seeing one of the slides from the PD that I went to on the QFT. So it's a great step-by-step process to use that helps your students to produce questions. So what you're doing is giving the students a statement, which could be a standard, and you're going to go through the process of QFT with them, and they're going to formulate their own questions. Well, what can you do with these questions? You can do so much with these questions. A lot of people are continuing to do soul lessons. This is a great segue into your soul lesson, and then your students can use their question and pick the big question for your soul lesson, or put questions together to create that. You can also use it for a number of other things, and here's another little list of things that you can use the questions for. So if you have some more questions or you think you might be interested in learning how to do this, go ahead and put in a coaching ticket or send me an email. That was 60 Seconds with Your Coach. Have a great day.